Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Cinderella moment filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, now I'm in trending section. Here, remember this image. This is the filter. Tap on it. Okay, move your finger like this. Okay, and this is the effect. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, go to discover and search for a Cinderella moment. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see try this effect. You can tap there to use this effect likewise. Okay, let's try it. Yeah. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect from here also, then what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap on the effect icon and you need to open it with TikTok. Okay, tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen or tap on open app on the top right corner of the screen. Okay, and again you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this Cinderella filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.